Hello and thank you for visiting my profile. My name is Bitesh Biswas and I am a mechanical and electrical engineer with more than 13 years of experience in industrial equipment designing and counterpart engineering. Throughout my career, I have been involved in complete development cycle of industrial product and systems, from concept designing and engineering calculations to manufacturing drawing, electrical schematics, control panel designing, and production support. One of my key strengths is ability to handle both mechanical and electrical engineering aspect for a project. This allows me to provide complete engineering solution rather than just drafting or AutoCAD service. My mechanical engineering expertise include machine designing, material selection, strength calculation, torque and power calculation, motor and gearbox selection, shaft designing, bearing selection, custom bearing housing development, conveyor system, vibrating equipment, magnetic separator, cabling drum, and other industrial machineries. On the electrical side, I specialize in control panel designing, power distribution, electrical schematics, single line diagram, PLC and automation panel, component selection, cable sizing, voltage drop calculation, and industrial control system. I am highly proficient in creating manufacturing, ready drawing, assembly drawing, BOM, electrical layout, and technical documentation that can be directly used for production. Whether you need a new project design from scratch, an existing machine improved, engineering calculation verified, electrical control panel development, or manufacturing documentation prepared, I can support your project from concept to implementation. I believe in clear communication, practice engineering solution, and deliver work that is accurate, reliable, and ready for manufacturing. Thank you for taking time to watch this introduction video. I look forward to discuss your project and help you achieve your engineering goals. Have a great day.